Welcome back. Question 8 is about gas law. Okay, a mercury trapped the volume of gas in the tube. Okay, the tube is placed in a water bath, water bathing, and slowly heated, so temperature increases. So increases initially is 300K, and then the height is 150 millimeter, and then one is H. Okay, when the temperature of the water is 360 Kelvin. So this is a classical question. Okay, we use atmospheric pressure to control, to keep the pressure constant. Okay, so pressure is constant. Remember, so V over T is a constant. And then because they have the same cross-sectional area, so V equals AH. So the height and the temperature is a constant. So height over temperature is a constant. So substitute all the data inside. Okay, final height. Okay, over final temperature Kelvin. So no need to add it. Remember, if it is degrees Celsius, add 273 to it. Before is 150 millimeter, and then 300K. So that's it. This is half. Move to the side, and then so H equals. Yes, you got it. X equals 180 millimeter, and the answer is B. Thank you.